I never respond to any attempts. I never respond to any attempts to have me wander around outside like a dementia or Alzheimer's patient. I really do not, because I believe in my ability to have my own guest list into my living space someday. Ever since I'm a teenager, thinking about having my own place, apart from the domineering attitude of my parents, plus other neighbors who believe themselves capable of pointing guns at us because of the immigrant situation that we were first here in. Now, after 30 years, it's as if some neighbors still don't want to give the respect that is due to every other regular citizen homeowner. So my mom's husband is Chris, not even a male, and that he just let everybody else on the basis of him trying to become a likable immigrant that protected his own household from these things that have to do with my my intimate life that became the disturbing episode from 2012 where my image went viral, being aggressive towards somebody with seemingly undue seemingly undue motive that happened. Yet, upon reflection, upon listening to my testimony, is very, very, very evident that the act was completely out of character. I'm not someone who would think to do that. So, mostly I view this space as like clearing my own conscience about the attitude from the community, or from some, co-workers, ex-co-workers, future people that are going to take part in shaping our living arrangements, etc. Thank you for listening.